viewers, for those who may not know me, my name is Stu Daniels, broker associate and team leader here at RE/MAX Pinnacle. Today, I'm excited to tell you about an office exclusive listing, 10 Codington Pl Somerville, New Jersey. This soon-to-be legal two-family home has been fully renovated with over 3,900 square feet of living space, offering plenty parking for tenants or clients, and located on a corner of Main Street. The property has been renovated to the studs, ensuring a high-quality investment opportunity for the new owner. The entire building boasts all new forced hot air heating and central air cooling, already installed for both units, as well as 2 gas meters, 2 electric meters. The house features all new 6-panel interior doors throughout, 42-inch sharp gray shaker cabinetry in the kitchens, herringbone backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and stunning refinished hardwood floors throughout. The first floor is 1,200 square feet approximately. It is currently tenant occupied, and it features 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a cavernous living dining room combination, and a laundry room. The second floor is an impressive 2-story space with 5 generously sized bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on the 3rd floor or attic area. This property is ideal for those who want to make the most of its potential mixed-use purposes. Once granted, the first floor can be converted into an office space, and the second floor can be used as living quarters. Imagine living upstairs, running your business downstairs, creating a seamless work-life balance. Or if you choose to rent the space out, you could potentially earn up to $7,000 a month. That's $84,000 a year in revenue. The property is conveniently located within minutes of downtown Somerville, offering a plethora of shopping and dining and entertaining options. This is your chance to a unique and versatile property that offers a blend of residential and potential professional use in the heart of Somerville Borough. If you're interested in seeing this property, please do not hesitate to contact me directly. My phone number and email is in the description, or you can simply leave a comment. We can schedule an appointment through there. If you would like to be notified from our upcoming properties, please hit the bell notification and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you and meeting you.